Hi everyone, my name is Ali. I'm very happy today because we are going to start learning SolidWorks together. If you are new, don't worry, I will show you step by step from the beginning. At the first time, if you click the home icon, you can see the part assembly and drawing. So if you have a recent document or if you designed before, you can see your file, and I would like to show you. Okay, this is my product. This is my project. I finished it before many years ago. So I would like to show you, if you learn the SolidWorks step by step, after that you can design this product or different products such as industrial products, or electric, mechanical, or everything you on your mind. And I would like to show you at the first time how can you use the mouse button. For example, if you use the left key, you can select the object. For example, this object, or this object. Or if you click this object and the left button, after that this option appear. We can use the hide, you can use the zoom, fillet, chamfer, or something like that. Or if I click the right, if you click the right button, you can see a lot of options. And if you hold the middle mouse, you can rotate your product. And when you hold your middle mouse, you should move your mouse to the left, right, up, or down. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can hold shift and click middle mouse and move to your mouse to the up or down. You can see what's happening. So if you hold Control and use a middle mouse, you can move your product as a pan. Or if you scroll the middle of your mouse, you can zoom in. Now you know how the button works. So I would like to close this one, and I would like to click the home icon again and select the part and start sketch step by step. Okay. The first time you should make sure the unit is correct. For example, millimeter, gram, and second. Okay. And you can change this one in the setting, the system option general. And if you click the document properties and click the unit, you can see the more detail and options, but make sure you use millimeter, gram, second. Okay. Okay, now I would like to select the front plan and select the sketch. So on command managers, right click and customize, and command manager and write sketch picture. So with your left mouse, pick it and drag and drop it. I had it before, so I don't need anymore. I would like to just show you how to add it. Don't worry about that. And select the picture, sketch picture, and select this picture. And I want to rescale it. Okay, so that's the best way to design very fast sketch from this JPEG or picture. Okay, at the first time it is a line, so and this is a dimension, so we need to use the line. And first you should start with origin. Okay, select line. Okay, and select the escape key on your keyboard to cancel, and select the smart dimension for it. Okay, let's go down. Okay, I would like to. Okay, and after that I select again the line. I would like to design all of them, or maybe step by step design vertical or horizontal and so on. Okay, you can select this one, this, letters. Okay, and after that use the dimensions, smart dimensions to fit 10, and maybe you don't know what's is the dimension exactly. So we have 20 and 40. It means 60 minus 90. It's 30. 30. Okay, and this is a 20, and this is a 20 again, and this is the 70. Okay, and this is the 10. The last one is 10. Okay. Okay, it's done. So I would like to. It's better to exit the sketch first. It is a exit sketch. If I click on, so if I click the features and click the extrude and boss extrude and click the sketch again and move or put the 50 and down, so it creates a sketch very easy. So I would like to save it everywhere. For example, desktop part 1, part number 1. Okay. You should check is this the SolidWorks part solidify. Okay, so next time I would like to show you how to design this one, how to create a circle, how to tangent together, and how can I to make it fully defined. All of the time use the fully defined. This is very important, fully defined in SolidWorks. So if you learn SolidWorks correctly, you will be able to design like me. So if you want to know more about the SolidWorks, I would like to design this one together, and again how to design this one. It's very easy. It's very easy, don't worry about that, it's very easy. You can learn SolidWorks sketching with me step by step and practical. Check out my other videos and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorials.